there, it is Katie, and today I'm inviting you into a very personal space of mine, and that is my sketchbook. Now, this isn't just a sketchbook, it's a part of my journey. A journey from really feeling stuck in perfectionism to a place of creativity and regular artistic expression. So let's open up and I'll show you. Now, as I flip through these pages of this sketchbook with you, I want one thing to mainly stand out, and that is that your sketchbook does not have to be a perfect work of art in itself. As you'll see from my sketchbook, these are different challenges I faced, experiments, moments of inspiration where I just tried a different technique out. It doesn't have to be a perfect sketchbook, like those that we see on Instagram. You'll see that from the big black marks you'll see in the corners, which I'll share more about in a second. But I really want this video to be a testament about overcoming the fear, where perfection is not the goal, but the exploration is. Now, this is the page I spilled my ink all over, and as you can see, it fed through onto every page I'd done so far, even the front cover. And in that moment, it was the greatest lesson, because what I thought had ruined a sketchbook actually rather made it part of the process of my art and how I was learning. And this is where I want to lead into something really close to my heart that I have just created, and that is a new mini course called Supercharge Your Art in 14 Days. Now, this sketchbook focused course is designed for anyone that's ever felt stuck, overwhelmed by that perfectionism of the blank page, or just unsure about how to even make the most of a sketchbook and how to use it in your practice. Now, this mini course, Supercharge Your Art, is packed with exercises, tips, different challenges to really help you transform your relationship with your sketchbook, and ultimately is going to help you massively progress in your artwork. Each lesson that we have is a step towards getting that confidence, that creativity, and most importantly, joy in your artistic practice. Now, imagine having a sketchbook that you feel excited to fill, and you can break free from that fear of the blank page just to explore your creativity without those limits. And also, there's tons of people already in the course that signed up for it, and I think you're going to really love it. So I'll pop the link in the description box if you would like to join us as well. And most of all, I just want you to feel like your sketchbook is kind of like a playground, just for trying out different techniques, ideas, these little moments of inspiration that hit. You just want somewhere to document that and just to explore your creativity. That, to me, is what a sketchbook is all about. Your sketchbook is a place to experiment and have fun. I hope you can choose to join us in Supercharge Your Art in 14 days. The link is in the description, and just feel free to leave any questions you have below in the comment section, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys, for spending that time with me. And if you are tired of letting fear really hold you back, and you are ready to fill your empty sketchbooks and finally become the artist you've always dreamed of being, click in the link in the description box to join the waitlist for Supercharge Your Art in 14 days. It's going to be a journey that's going to take you from feeling lost and unmotivated to confident and creative and regularly producing art that you feel proud of and want to share. It's all about making your sketchbook your playground, and where mistakes aren't just allowed, but they're actually encouraged, because that is how we really learn and grow as an artist. So if you're ready to start this journey with me to make art a fulfilling part of your life and to finally overcome those barriers that you feel just been holding you back this time, join the waitlist for Supercharge Your Art in 14 days, and let's fill those sketchbooks together. Thanks, guys. Bye.